You ever place a trade, and the second you enter, the market goes the opposite direction? Like you wait, you analyze, you hesitate, and then the moment you click buy, boom, straight down, or even worse, you close a trade early, take a small profit, and then watch it run 3 times without you. Yeah, if that's you, you're not alone. But here's the thing. It's not your strategy that's the problem. It's your execution. You are not alone. I have been on your position many times. If you're someone who keeps missing entries, exits too early, or struggles to follow your trading plan, this video is for you. Look, most traders think they're losing because of strategy. But here's what most people don't realize. Execution is the difference between a profitable trader and a frustrated one. Same setup, same market, same opportunity. One trader makes money, the other doesn't. Why? Execution. Now, you might be thinking, Aid, I just need a better strategy. No, you don't. According to a study by the Journal of Behavioral Finance, over 80% of trading mistakes come from emotional decision-making, not strategy flaws. Let that sink in. It's not that you don't know what to do. It's that you don't do what you know. Here's the real issue. Most traders enter too late, exit too early, move, stop losses, overtrade after losses. And all of this comes down to one thing. Psychology. Let me explain this in simple terms. Your brain is wired for survival, not trading. When you see a trade going against you, your brain says, get out, avoid pain. When you see a trade in profit, your brain says, close it now, secure safety. But trading doesn't reward safety. It rewards discipline. Let's break this down with real numbers. Say you risk $100 per trade. Your strategy gives you a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So, you lose $100 if wrong. You make $300 if right. Now imagine this. Because of poor execution, you cut winners early at $100. You let losers run to $150. Now your math becomes lose $150, win $100. Even if you're right 60% of the time, you still lose money. This is where it gets really interesting. You can have a good strategy and still fail. I remember when I first started trading, I had a solid strategy, back-tested, proven, everything. But every time I entered a trade, I would hesitate. Then I'd chase the price. Then I'd panic. Then I'd close early. And at the end of the week, I'd look back and realize, if I had just followed my plan exactly, I would have been profitable. That's when it hit me. It wasn't the market. It was me. So here's step number 1. Define your rules before you enter a trade. Not during, not after, before. Entry, stop loss, take profit. Everything should be planned, because once you're in a trade, your emotions take over. Step 2, use pending orders instead of market execution. Here's why. When you manually enter trades, you hesitate, you second guess, you chase. But when you set a pending order, you remove emotion completely. It either triggers or it doesn't. Simple. Step 3, control your risk. Most traders risk too much, which creates emotional pressure. If losing $100 feels painful, you're risking too much. Drop it to $10. Seriously. Because when your risk is small, your emotions are quiet. And when your emotions are quiet, your execution improves. And look, this is exactly why I built my trading community. Because trading alone is where most people mess up. Inside my Telegram, I share real-time trade setups, clear entry and exit plans, signals and breakdowns, market updates before moves happen. So instead of guessing, you're learning and executing with structure. If you're serious about improving your execution, join the community. Link is in the description. Step 4. Review your trades, not just wins and losses. Execution. Ask yourself, did I follow my plan? Did I enter where I said I would? Did I exit early? Because here's the truth. You don't improve by trading more. You improve by reviewing better. Step 5. Trade less. Yeah, I know that sounds crazy, but overtrading destroys execution. The more trades you take, the more emotional you become. Instead, focus on quality setups. One good trade a day is better than 5 random ones. Now, you might be thinking, but Aid, I want to make more money faster. Look, rushing is exactly what's slowing you down. Because when you rush, you enter bad trades, you break your rules, you lose confidence. And once your confidence is gone, your execution falls apart. Here's what most people don't realize. Consistency in trading doesn't come from winning trades. It comes from consistent behavior. Same rules, same process, same execution, over and over again. Think about it like going to the gym. You don't get results from one perfect workout. You get results from repeating the same routine consistently. Trading is the same, and this is where everything changes. The moment you stop focusing on profits and start focusing on execution is the moment your results improve. So if you take anything from this video, let it be this. You don't need a better strategy. You need better discipline. Fix your execution, and your profits will follow. If you found value in this, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know what you struggle with most in trading. And don't forget, if you want real-time setups, signals, and a community that actually helps you grow, join my Telegram. I'll see you inside. Stay disciplined.